Creating social media dashboards is one of the most popular JavaScript exercises and also one of the most popular projects to showcase in your JavaScript portfolio. And in this video, we're going to learn how to create it via CHAT GPT. So I'm going to start with my prompt. So here the prompt which I'm writing is create a social media dashboard with a toggle for dark and light mode in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And then the code is now written by CHAT GPT. How cool is that, right? After the code is completed, all you have to do is just copy the code and paste it in your Visual Studio Code. I've already created a folder out here called the S Media. I'm just going to open my Visual Studio Code, and out here, I'm just going to open the folder and then just create an index.html file and paste the code in it. So here's my folder. I'm quickly just going to rearrange my windows and new file, index.html. There we go. And the code is already copied. I'm just going to simply paste it and then just click on go live. And there we have it. Bam! A simple social media dashboard, which is pretty cool. I like the whole Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn, which is added out here. But I wanted to try another experiment with it. Of course, the dark and the light mode works as well, which is pretty impressive what ChatGPT has created for me. But right now, the design is too simple for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see whether ChatGPT can create a more advanced, a more detailed version of the same. So I'm going to go ahead and write the prompt. Can you make it more detailed? So let's see. So it has now started building over that code. It's rewriting that code again. I'm quickly just going to fast forward through the process. So the code is written now completely. What I'm going to do is just going to copy it again, erase the previous one and paste it in place of that. Again, I'm just going to dispose the server and then go live again. So out here, I can see that it has given some numbers. The Facebook and Twitter text is highlighted in blue and the boxes move too. It has a little animation to it where they zoom into it. And of course, when we click on the dark mode works as well. Here's a maximized version of the window. And I like it. I like how the boxes, sort of pop out when you hover on them. But another thing which I actually wanted to try was I have an image of someone who's already made a social media dashboard design, which I thought was nice looking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that reference image and I'm going to give it to ChatGPT to see if it can redesign into that same style. So again, I'm going to write my prompt. I have a reference of a dashboard design and check if you can redesign it in the same style. So it's written to me that please upload the reference image. So I'm going to take this reference image I've taken from YouTube. Some guy called Piyush, a programmer who had designed a very cool, nice, simple, elegant social media design, which I want to see if ChatGPT can actually redesign in that style. So after uploading the image, I'm going to give it the prompt again that this is the image. And I like the different colors which are there in that design. So, let's see how you can redesign that. So now ChatGPT has written that code again. It has rewritten the code, whole thing. So the same process applies. I'm just going to take the entire code, copy it and replace my previous code with the current code. So here we go. So I've pasted the code and I'm just going to port the previous server and go live again. And here we are. So it's nice. It's even got the name right, which is pretty cool. And it's got those colors which were there on the top. So let me just get the reference design back here and let's see how accurately ChatGPT has done the job. It's taken the names, it has given those colors as well on the top as a nice lining to our boxes. The dark mode works fine as well, and the numbers are also there. The only thing is, of course, the text needs to be worked on because I think the reference image has a more elegant text to it. And of course, the icons are missing, which can also be added manually later. But I just wanted you to show that ChatGPT can actually help you out so much. Once you write the code, all you have to do is make some little arrangements here and there and you are ready to go. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and please hit on subscribe as well. Make the algorithm fall in love with me. Thank you.